In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video shortcut to your drive in Google Vids in just 5 minutes. This efficient and easy to follow guide is tailored for individuals looking to streamline their Google Vids experience, whether for professional or personal use. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to access your favorite or most needed videos directly from your Google Drive, saving you time and enhancing your productivity. To kick things off, navigate to Google Vids. Google Vids is part of the Google Workspace, offering a seamless video sharing and management platform. It's designed to work perfectly with other Google products, providing an integrated experience that simplifies how you interact with video content. Whether you're sharing with colleagues, classmates, or friends, Google Vids makes it easy to manage who sees your videos. Once you're on the Google Vids page, the next thing you need to do is sign in. Look for the Sign In button and click on it. This is your gateway to accessing all the features and functionalities that Google Vids offers. Signing in is straightforward, especially if you're already logged into your Google account in the same browser. If prompted, choose your preferred Google account from the list provided. This is the account where your video shortcut will be saved, so make sure it's the one you want to use for this purpose. Now the real magic begins. After you've successfully signed in, locate the video you wish to add as a shortcut to your Google Drive. Beneath the video, you'll find a Share button. Click on the arrow beside it. This action reveals a variety of options, but for our purpose today, we're interested in one specific feature. Click on Export to Drive from the options provided. This feature is a game changer for many users. It doesn't physically move your video into Drive, but creates a shortcut to the video in your Google Vids. This means you can access your video directly from Google Drive without having to navigate back to Google Vids, saving precious time and maintaining a neat organization of your files and folders. Next, once the export process is complete, a link to your newly created shortcut in Drive will be available. You must click on Copy Link. This link's quite versatile. You can use it to access your video directly, share it with others, or even bookmark it for future access. Remember, the link leads to a shortcut of your video in Drive, not the video file itself. This distinction is important for managing your Drive storage space efficiently since shortcuts take virtually no space. By now, you've successfully created a shortcut to your video in Google Drive, an incredibly streamlined process thanks to Google's interconnected ecosystem of apps and services. This shortcut can now be shared, moved within your Drive folders, or accessed anytime, anywhere, as long as you have internet access. This not only optimizes how you manage your digital files, but also enhances your collaboration and sharing capabilities. Remember, the beauty of Google Vids and Drive integration lies in its simplicity and efficiency. As someone looking to make the most out of these platforms, creating shortcuts to videos directly in Drive can be a game changer. It simplifies access, sharing, and management of video content, thereby improving your productivity and digital organization. Before wrapping up, a couple of quick tips to ensure you make the most out of this feature. Always double check you're signed into the correct Google account before creating shortcuts, especially if you manage multiple accounts. This prevents any mix-ups and ensures your videos and shortcuts are always where you expect them to be. Additionally, consider organizing your Drive to make navigation easier. Folders and subfolders can be excellent for categorizing video shortcuts, especially if you deal with a large number of videos. That's all for today's tutorial on how to add a video shortcut to your Drive in Google Vids. With this new knowledge, you're well on your way to becoming more efficient and organized with your video content. Whether for work, school, or personal projects, the ability to quickly access and share your videos can significantly enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.